entirely sure if we've shown you Mr. DIY, but they're actually located on the 3rd floor in the Central Festival, and they've got everything. I mean, everything, man. Everything for your home. Let's go in.
You'll do it yourself, mate. Watch out for the dude with them.
Yes, I'll go this way. No, we're only here for 2 things. Right. So you've got things like, well, broom handles, gloves, stuff. Well, Dave said he wanted one of these little ones, so let's get one of these. I'm not even sure of the price because there is no price on it. Handles. Let's have a look at these little handles. Dave wants to put a couple of handles on our kitchen doors because he seems to think I keep muddying them up with my cooking fingers, which is true. He's not lying. Let's find something that we might kind of find suitable. Maybe not. That's a little bit different than all your paint rollers, thin and thick. All the different prices there. The glues, the sealants, silicone, elastic. And then we've got the kitchenware implements. I don't actually need any at the moment. I wouldn't mind a box grater though. And fillet. Maybe more like that. Egg flip. Unless I can find a better one. 25 baht. You're 37. Right, for my Teflon. Okay, so 50 baht for that one. Did you happen to find something to put them in?
Oh no, I got as far as the motorbike stuff, and I got...
So all of your stationery here. Yeah, that's perfect.
Something like that.
Perfect. So does it open it? Yeah, okay. Yeah, opens up. Awesome. Yeah, just put it in there. She can scan the back of it.
I'm just making sure the zip tie okay, because that one, as it went over, there's a bit of just damage, that one.
Okay.
Just I could feel it as it went over.
Right.
Oh, it's just...
I have a container that has these fragrance beads in it. I was just thinking the other day of tossing it because, you know, it's got down to, once it's been going for a little while, it just starts to dehydrate and go back into the teeny tiny little balls. So,
anyone want a shot glass?
Get some of those. Shot glasses, anyone. So that's us done. We've just exited Mr. DIY, and what did we spend, Dave?
Yeah, but guess 275 baht.
370.
Oh,
we did.
okay.
And that was for quite a few things. We'll go through them a little bit later. But 370 baht in total, and we also grabbed some cat biscuits on the way out. because, like I said, they've got everything. All right, let's go and find some coffee, Dave.
Yes, I know.
All right, so now we're on the ground floor of Central Festival, looking for somewhere to have some coffee.
Quite a lot of durian even there.
Sorry, Brad?
I'm not sure, but there's lots of stalls with durians now. Like last time we had
Oh, Japanese cheesecake.
Oh, there we go. I'm talking, you walk up to this food.
Sorry, but we saw that show last night. The guy that tried the Japanese cheesecake, and he thought it was absolutely delightful. So I'm not sure whether that is it or not. Perhaps we should take one home.
I'll have to. I'll see.
Oh.
You probably see it in.
Yes, that's it. There.
Oh,
yeah.
I'd have to carry that.
Oh, my
it's a small one. You
goodness.
just go hard to it and we get really nauseous and pass out from over sugar.
Yeah. Why don't we get one of the small Japanese cheesecakes, and then we'll go and get a coffee, and then have half each. Is that gutsy or what?
Yeah, so much for the diet.
No, the diet is still in play. The diet is still in play. It is, but
No.
we watched a show on BBC Food,
Yeah.
and there was a gentleman that went to Japan, and he tried all these different things, and he tried a Japanese cheesecake, and he said it was to die for. So if someone
Is he
says
telling
that,
the truth though?
I don't know. So let's find out, shall we? So yeah, like Dave said, it seems to be durian station right over here. It is everywhere, but thankfully, see,
Don't smell as much.
for me, I was just going to say, for me, the smell really puts me off.
These ones are different.
There are a lot of different varieties.
Yeah.
We know that, but we've only tried one and we really didn't like it.
Don't
Maybe
hold
we should
Kondo
give it.
out.
Maybe we should give it another try one day.
Yeah.
What do you think, Dave?
Yep.
Not today. Not today.
Today's coffee.
Today's
really need a coffee.
Yeah, we got our Japanese cheesecake, and let's go find some coffee. Okay, so now that we've
Have a
got
guess where we are.
yes, that way. Now that we've got our coffees,
I'm going to start jumping shortly.
that's quite good. That's quite good.
This is very coffee.
She's actually listened, and she's gone with midnight sugar rather than people that just don't
Nampan.
listen.
I think that's right.
I say-
Nikolai Nampan.
I just say midnight sugar. They get it. 9 times out of 10 anyway.
I'll forget the word by the time I leave here.
Now I'm trying to open up my Japanese cheesecake. So that will be your plate. That will be your plate.
Ah,
Unless
I don't listen.
unless you want to just eat straight off this. Yeah, that's what we'll do. Eat straight off this. What do you reckon? Alright.
I should have gone for a.
There it is. Check it out. Right up.
Oh dear. A coffee hit and a sugar hit. I reckon I'll do backflips out the door. Oh, you wasted. Oh, this is so creamy. Wow.
It is, isn't it?
Mm.
It is so.
This could be very addictive. Very
It is
addictive.
so delicious.
You can't really.
Japanese people out there, you've got it right.
That's like the layers. Oh, it's not layers. It's just right to the bottom. It's beautiful.
What have you done to our
Made a
cake?
mess.
It's quite delicious, guys. Check
It's
it
just
out.
like you think there's cream in there, but it's not.
Yeah,
The whole thing is.
it's
never
spongy.
had anything like
It's
it,
spongy, but really, 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 really moist, and slightly cheesy as well. Which is, can you taste the cheese?
Like a cheesecake. a
Like
bit.
milky?
Yeah. Yeah.
creamy,
Yeah.
more like the cream on top of the milk
Excuse me,
you
I'm
used to
eating.
have in years and years ago.
Sorry, can't hear you.
We used to have milk delivered. It used to always have the cream at the top. Now I'm one of 3 children, so I used to always get that cream. My
Was
mum
this
used to.
when the horse and carts were around?
My mum used to give that to me. I'll ignore him. And yeah, that really, really creamy taste. Delicious. Obviously, you get that creamy taste these days too, but yes, back in the days of the horse and cart.
Basically, yeah. And outside toilets.
We had an outside toilet.
Okay, we're
We
talking
did.
about food now. Oh, my bad. This,
So creamy.
it's too. that guy was right. When we were watching a documentary. And it's in Japan.
It
This
was
is
Paul
really good.
Hollywood, and he's one of the judges of some cooking show that Dave and I probably watched one episode of. We didn't even know who Paul Hollywood was,
Yeah.
and he did a tour of Japan. He was talking about the cheesecake, and he said, "Oh my God," he said, "they have got it so right," and I agree. They have got it right.
It's perfect.
I don't think I quite made the half a half, so just go for it, Dave.
Okay, that's all mine then.
No, no,
Huh? Someone's
not
having,
the case. Not
someone's
the
happy to
case.
laugh at me.
Yeah.
That was one of the two.
How about that? Looks really spongy,
But
But
it
it's-
does compress, yeah.
but so creamy. I've already said that. Now I'm repeating myself.
I know.
So we're going to
What was this? A black coffee with honey
black coffee,
black coffee.
and I got the white chocolate macchiato. I always go for the macchiato, as you guys know. Oh,
And
so
I've been
nice.
trying different things.
So nice. I went for a variation on the macchiato though. I went for the white chocolate macchiato. That's different, isn't it?
Oh no, I was looking on the side there. It had a sweet scale. You couldn't
Oh,
read it on
right,
mine
right.
because mine's dark.
Oh, okay. All right, so there we go there. Can you see that? I'm not sure if you can. There we go.
Because as you know, if you don't say little
no.
sugar or no sugar, it's just going to be that much sugar. You'll be surprised how much weight you'll put on.
But anyway, we're going to continue eating our cheesecake. So glad I bought this.
Finish.
It was 220 baht for this, well, without losing it, little-sized cheesecake that Dave and I
There was a bigger
so
one there, but I'm glad we
enjoy.
didn't get it because we would eat the whole
Oh,
lot.
you've got some cheesecake.
I've got I'm having a cheesecake. Yeah.
He's like a small child, seriously. All right, so we're going to continue eating our delicious cheesecake
And me a
finish,
crayon.
finish our iced coffee, and we'll talk to you guys later.
Hey.